All right, so we got a Whirlpool Kenmore badged, older style direct drive washer. Now, I'm going to go over a couple things with this machine. Customer states the washer, sometimes it will leave the clothes not spun out. So it's kind of hard to diagnose if you're not sure what to look for. So put your washer in drain and spin. What you're going to do, you're going to pull the knob. Now, hopefully you have your lid switch that you can use something to depress that. You hear a click. Now, some models will have a lid switch over here underneath the console. So you might have to remove the console to gain access to your lid switch. Now, some models you will have to remove this, or some you'll have a putty knife, insert it, tip this back, pull it forward. Some you'll have a screw back here, Phillips screw, don't pull the screw out all the way. Grab this, unscrew the screw until it comes forward, and that's all you need to do. All right, that's how you gain access to your switch to do the test that we're going to do. Now, if you have your switch here, then this is for you. If your lid switch is over there, you will have to do a bypass because you need the lid open. So you're going to get a piece of wire, something like this, but you need the other end has to be stripped. You're going to insert it into, you're going to have 3 wires. You're going to have a green, forget the green, whatever color the other wires are, stick them in there. Just don't stick it into the green and you're good to go. Unplug the machine before you do anything. Once you plug the machine in, pull the knob. You're going to be on drain and spin. What we're looking for is you want to see the basket turning. Now, my first test is going to be pulling the knob, turning on the machine, and you're going to think everything is okay. All right, so let's look. Now you need to press that. Okay, machine spun just fine. No problem. Speed was pretty good. All that looks good. But something's missing. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do this. I'm going to hold the basket. Now, you're not going to hold it super strong, but when the clutch is good, it's going to yank it out of your hand. So what we're doing now, we're determining whether or not your clutch is good or bad. Okay? Now remember, if your machine goes into spin, that's good. So just a little pointer there. So we're dealing with a clutch, which is responsible for moving the basket. So now I'm going to put something here again. I'm going to hold the drum, and you'll see if the drum can rotate. It should rotate. If it does not rotate, it is bad. The clutch is bad. All right? I need 2 hands. All right, so we're going to pull, and I'm going to hold this. All right, so the problem is the clutch does not have enough resistance to turn the basket. So we need to replace the clutch. All right, that's how you diagnose that. And another one, pay attention to this. The dog gadgets, if you can rotate in both directions, we need to remove and change the dog gadgets. Now that's just a separate repair, separate video. But while you're there, go ahead and remove this cover, 7/16 bolt, replace the dog gadgets. I do have a video on that. All right, thanks for watching. That's how you diagnose a bad clutch.